Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix high CPU usage in Microsoft Excel on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So friends, to fix high CPU usage in Excel program, firstly click on Start. Now type excel.exe space slash save. So type this command excel.exe space slash and save. Now press enter. So Excel will open in save mode. Now click on File, click on Options, click on Add-ins. Now in this drop-down, select COM Add-ins, click on Go. Now uncheck these all option, click on OK. Now close it, click on Start, type percentage sign app data percentage sign. Now press enter. In here click on Microsoft, click on Excel. Now delete all folder and close it and restart your PC and try to open Excel. It will work properly. That's all. Thanks for watching.